Looking for the best cameras for under $1,000? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is the best camera we've tested that you can buy new for under $1,000. Though the body alone typically goes for $1,000, you can often find it on sale or find used models for less. At this price point, it's one of the best value APS-C cameras on the market. With 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, albeit with a crop, along with a very reliable autofocus AF system, this is an excellent entry-level hybrid camera. It also delivers great image quality and has a very quick 15 frames per second burst rate to capture moments of fast action. If that wasn't enough, it also features an easy-to-use interface, comfortable ergonomics, and a solid battery life. The Fujifilm X-M5 is another excellent choice that falls around the same price. It's one of the few cameras under $1,000 to feature in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which can help you get clear handheld shots at slower shutter speeds and reduce camera shake in videos. It also has a more established lens ecosystem than the Canon, which is still a bit limited in terms of lens selection. That said, the X-M5's autofocus system isn't nearly as reliable as the AF on the R10, and the camera's internal video features are a bit more limited. Number 4. Canon EOS R50. For those just getting started in photography, the Canon EOS R50 is one of the best value options for beginners. Like the Canon EOS R10 above, it has simple controls and an intuitive menu system, making it very accessible for people jumping into their first dedicated camera. Image quality is great for its class, and its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to take on the go. Plus, its extensive auto and creative shooting modes let you try out different photography styles while learning the ropes. If you want to save even more money, dipping into the used market and looking for older DSLRs like the Nikon D3500 can be a great way to save money. DSLRs also have more established lens lineups, giving you more options to choose from as your skills grow. The D3500 is still one of our favorite beginner cameras because of its built-in guide mode, which breaks down the fundamentals of photography for newbies. It's positively no frills compared to the mirrorless R50, so you'll lose out on things like 4K video capability and an articulated screen, but it's a solid starting point for budding photographers. Number 3. Fujifilm X-M5. The Fujifilm X-M5 isn't just the most compact interchangeable lens camera on this list, it's also a surprisingly powerful little camera. While it uses an older generation sensor, it features Fujifilm's latest processor and, with it, brings a highly effective autofocus tracking system and the latest video features. For the price, it's hard to beat all that it has to offer, from 4K 60 frames per second video recording and 10-bit to subject tracking and excellent image quality. Of course, being as compact as it is, there are some major downsides here. Most notably, the camera lacks a viewfinder, which can be a deal-breaker for some photographers, especially if you're shooting outdoors in sunny conditions. Its ergonomics and battery life also leave a little to be desired, and there's no room for IBIS. Still, if you're looking for an ultra-portable mirrorless body, this is the way to go. Number 2. Sony Alpha 6400. If you want to invest in a well-established lens ecosystem, the best option under $1,000 is the Sony Alpha 6400. Since it's part of Sony's long-standing e-lens mount ecosystem, you'll have a very wide range of native and third-party lens options to choose from. Despite the camera's age, it still has one of the best autofocus systems of its class, along with some decent video specs and a high-resolution sensor capable of capturing excellent images. Though it's been surpassed by the more advanced Sony Alpha 6700, the Alpha 6400 still has a lot to offer at a significantly lower price point. That said, if ergonomics and ease of use are a priority, consider the Nikon Z50 instead. The AF on the Z50 isn't quite as snappy as Sony's, but it has excellent ergonomics and build quality, including some weather sealing to keep out dust and moisture. While it uses a lower resolution sensor than the Sony, it still captures great image quality and performs quite well in low light. The Z mount has some great lens options, but lens selection is notably more limited than Sony's E mount. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T8i/A50D. Mirrorless options are great for hybrid or video shooters thanks to their quick autofocus systems, but you can't go wrong with a tried-and-true DSLR for photography. The best DSLR camera we've tested under $1,000 is the Canon EOS Rebel T8i/A50D. It's Canon's most capable entry-level DSLR, providing all you need in a starter camera. Though you can't see image adjustments in real time through the viewfinder, as you would with a mirrorless model like the Canon EOS R50, the optical viewfinder gives you a direct, unfiltered view of your subjects. The roomy handgrip and well-spaced controls also make for a very comfortable shooting experience. All of that, plus a battery life that's hard to beat, a great autofocus system for its class, and a wide range of lenses to choose from, makes this one of the best DSLRs you can get for the price.